Hi, I'm Paweł Zakrzewski from Ambient System. I'm a product manager. Today on the ISE 2017, I would like to show you our new product, which is miniVES. miniVES is a compact plug-and-play voice evacuation system, which supports up to 8 speaker zones, 400 watts of power, fully TCP/IP based platform. It has nice touchscreen for controlling and fault registering and so on. The system has built-in 2 amplifiers, charging system, space for the batteries. As well, you can extend the miniVES or by the dedicated fire microphones or zone microphones from our portfolio. On top of it, the miniVES is cross-compatible with our bigger system, which is called miniVES. And for more information, please visit www.ambientsystem.eu. Thank you.